A particle is moving on a circular path with a constant speed v. What is the change in its velocity after it is described by an angle 60 degree? Let us first consider a particle which is moving in a circle. Let us say it starts from this position, let us say A, and it moves in the anti-clockwise direction and it reaches point B over here, okay. The velocity at A will be tangential in this direction and the velocity at B will be tangential to this. Now the direction of the velocity is changing. Let this be v1 vector, let this be v2. The direction is changing over here, but over here I can say that the magnitude remains same because it is moving with constant velocity. Let the angle trace at the center be equal to theta. Okay, let the angle trace at the center be equal to theta. So I can say that the magnitude of v1 vector and the magnitude of v2 vector remains same. Okay, let it be equal to x. Okay, and the angle traced over here is equal to theta. So the if I join this velocities will look somewhat like this. This is v1 vector and this is v2 vector, and this velocities will also make an angle theta over here. Okay, let us first solve it for a common theta, then we will substitute the value of theta. I can say that the change in the velocity will be equal to v2 minus v1 vector. Okay, the change in velocity is equal to v2 minus v1 vector, and its magnitude will be equal to, v1 square plus v2 square plus 2v1 v2 minus of cos theta. Why minus cos theta? Because it is we are finding the negative. Okay, we are finding the negative of them. So which is equal to root of x square plus 2x square, or I can directly write this as minus 2x square cos theta. Okay, which is equal to minus 2x square cos theta, which is equal to, I can take 2x square common, it will be equal to 1 minus cos theta. Okay, 1 minus cos theta. So root 2x square 1 minus cos theta over here will be equal to 2 cos square theta divided by 2. Okay, so over here it will be equal to 1 minus cos theta will be equal to 2 sin square theta divided by 2. So basically I can take everything outside the root. 2 into 2 will be 4, the outside the root it will be equal to 2, x square the root will be equal to x, sin square theta will be equal to sin theta divided by 2. Okay, over here it will be equal to sin theta divided by 2. Okay, so we have to find out the change in velocity. The x over here is equal to v, so it will be equal to 2v. The theta over here, the theta described over here will be equal to, the theta described is equal to 60 degree. So sin 60 divided by 2, which is equal to sin 30. So sin 30 over here is equal to half. So basically it will be equal to v. So the change in velocity, the magnitude of the change in velocity is equal to v, which is option number C.